Okay, for the next part of this video, I'm going to speak on how to deploy school data sync by using CSV files. And for this example, I'm going to use the CSV files I created manually, not the automated ones from Edval or Compass. A couple of things to think about before you get started. It's got here, make sure you have an Office 365 education tenant, and also your global admin account as well, and have school data sync plan 1 enabled in your admin tenant. Okay, we've just logged into Microsoft Sync dashboard on sds.microsoft.com. What we're going to do now is click Add Profile, and this will load the profile path. And what we're going to do now is call it Test Class Number 2. We've selected CSV files to upload, and the file format is SDS format. We're going to click Start. What we're going to do though is we're going to use existing users, because we're using it off our existing database using the teacher and student accounts. I'm going to upload the files, and they're the SDS files, CSV files that we got from our both systems, either it's the timetable system or our learning management system. And we're going to upload, and this will take a few seconds to upload the files. And once this is complete, we can then continue on working our way through this. Okay, what we've got now is the school properties, just confirming we're using the SES ID and the name from the CSV file, and also the section information there. What fantastic addition to this is the team creation option, and what this will do by default is automatically create the team, or the teams or the class teams we have in those CSV files. It's very exciting. What we're going to do here is just unselect this option, and that means the staff members cannot change the names. We're going to let students log into the team first, which is fine. We don't have to deny them, delay the access. We're going to have the syncing profile stop in a few days and go next. What we need to do now is just choose our domain suffix for the login, which is our Azure connection, and ours is lawana.vic.edu.au. Same thing for the students. We need to map them to their proper domain, which is their vic.edu.au domain. Click Next. And right here, we're ready to go. All our information's here, and we'll click Create Profile. When we click Create Profile, it'll take about 15 to 20 minutes for it to create the profile and then sync it and create the class automatically in Teams, ready to go for us to use. As you can see here, Microsoft's SDS sync has been created and completed, and we've got a big green tick.